make the body of the shark. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Now we'll add a cute pointed tail. It's time to add some fins to the shark. Do you know sharks have been living for millions of years in the ocean? Let's draw its big giant fin. Sharks can swim backwards, forwards, and even upside down. Isn't it amazing? Now let's make its cute eyes. Yes, you got this. Our shark looks so cute. Our eyes are almost ready. Yay! It's done! Adding a cute little smile on its face. Here comes the scary teeth. Sharks love to swim in the big blue ocean. Now it's time to paint. Great! Sharks are like detectives of the ocean, always exploring. In the ocean, every day is a new adventure. Don't you love how this looks? Do you know sharks don't have any bones? Blue. Ta-da! Bye-bye! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.